Welcome to this NMP Flight video tutorial. This tutorial will look at the flight status and action buttons on the second glance. I'll first take a flight that has a filed flight status. And with this flight you have the normal actions of the send a slot improvement proposal wanted message and the delay of the off blocks time of the flight. For a flight that's already been ATC activated, this case the flight is off blocks, there are no actions that can be taken for that flight. I'll look at one of the suspended flights, and in this case the flight status is suspended due to not being reported as airborne. And if I mouse over that status I get a little bit more information, and in this case the options are still the send the slot improvement proposal wanted message and the delay, because that's the way of getting out of a suspension for not being reported as airborne, is to delay the EOPT. Another case, here the flight has been suspended due to the delay threshold. There is a respond time and a little bit more information. In this case there is an additional action, which is to send a flight confirmation message. And finally, there is a suspension due to the manual suspension, a user command inside NMOC. Again, the options are to send a slot improvement proposal wanted message or to delay the flight. There are other status and action possibilities that I will not go into all of them during this video tutorial. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.